Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MDaemon to Zimbra Migration. Search on Google Recovery Tools MDaemon Migrator. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your MDaemon files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing MDaemon file. You can convert multiple MDaemon files at once. Select MDaemon Files folder. Check the files. Click on Zimbra. Select Destination folder. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Saving log. Converted Zimbra.tgz file. Click on Preferences. Click on Import/Export. Click on Browse. Select TGZ file. Click on Import. Click on Mail. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.